dream I know, deep up my feelings for you.
Hello everyone, welcome back to Reality Latest Gist. As we're giving a back-to-back updates and information, I see they hot. So if today now your first time to join our wonderful channel, I beg, may you like, subscribe and share, but don't forget to turn notification bell to get notified whenever we drop a video. The matter what the correct on given Obaseki, the Edo State chapter of the People Democratic Party don't call inaugurates members of the caretaker committee established by the party National Working Committee to manage the party's affairs pending the election of the new executive. But before I go yarn on the mentor, I go like welcome all my amazing subscribers and viewers. I thank you well for joining us on today's wonderful news. Alright, my people, make a yarn on the mentor. The Edo State chapter of the People Democratic Party inaugurated members of the caretaker committee that was established by the party National Working Committee to manage the party's affairs pending the election of new executive. The committee is chaired by Dr. Tony Ezebami with Honorable Henry Duke Tinebe as secretary. So other members of the caretaker committee include Harrison Omagbo, Fidel Iginegbale, Chris Nikari, Tony Anini Jr. and Anthony Okosu, Shegu Saki, Adesa Kubirat Ibrahim and Augustina Edosawen. The committee established pursuant to Section 29(2)(b) of the People Democratic Party Constitution 2017 as amended. As the responsibilities of managing the party's affairs in Edo State as stipulated in Section 21(2)(a)(b) of the party's constitution for a period not exceeding 90 days, that is 3 months, or until a new executive committee is elected. So speaking at the inauguration at the People Democratic Party Secretariat in Benin City on Friday, the state governor Obaseki expressed confidence that the People Democratic Party would reclaim their mandate, which he alleged was stolen by the All Progressive Congress during the 21st September government election poll. So addressing the party leaders, local government chairmen, chieftains and other stakeholders, Obaseki called for unity and cohesion as the party seeks to reclaim their mandate through judicial process. He said he wants a cohesive party as they fight for their stolen mandate. And he is confident that they are going to retrieve it. Their mandate was stolen in a broad daylight. So you don't get anyhow we say they don't go retrieve it because it wasn't meant for APC. He said everyone saw it. And a lot of people came out that day to vote for PDP. So they have evidence to show how their mandate was taken. And by the grace of God, they are going to recover it. Governor Obaseki said APC cannot simply walk away with this stolen mandate because they have procedures in government that they stole their mandate, yes, but there are laws and ways to address it. They are inaugurating a new government in Edo State, yet the Edo State government is not involved. My people don't be small Càsala. He said people just they act as if say there is no law, forgetting that they are guided by the constitution and legal procedures. He said APC they plan inauguration. And himself not even there aware they didn't invite him. That it can't be like say APC want to establish a brand new government and a brand new Edo State. He no can understand. My people don't be smoke girl. So he say there is a widespread illegality, but they have to be patient as their democracy must prevail. Because he say everybody know how APC they take their mandates and they have evidence, but they want to see how they want to manage this because the people came out to vote for their party, that is PDP. So now they are going to challenge the results and they know say the victory must be PDP's victory. They are going to fulfill their responsibilities as politicians. But say everybody don't know say APC are full of lies and deception. So Obaseki said right now they need to be vocal and not to allow APC lies to dominate them. He said the tribunal will commence in December and they want the people of Edo State to stay at alert. Their question shows they are interested. The most crucial thing they need now is harmony in PDP and they need to communicate with their people more. So the party must stay in contact with local government chairman on a weekly basis. The party must also be in contact with House of Assembly members to keep the people informed. During this holiday period, he said they may try to spend as much money as possible to sway public opinion. They will struggle to change their perception. They have almost 27 billion allocated for projects and obligations, but they have already started borrowing between 2 million and 5 million for the inauguration. So Obaseki said that is the first amount they will withdraw from the treasury. So the governor assured the people of Edo State that he would remain close to the party, promising never to leave but to continue advising them. Governor Obaseki said the mandate which was stolen from them, he said they are going to reclaim it for the sake of Nigeria, because if they allow the APC to retain their stolen mandate, it could spell the end of democracy in Nigeria. That this fight is not just for the candidates, but for the people of Nigeria and their democracy. So on the part of the candidates in the 21st governorship election, Wàhàla urged the party to prepare for a tough battle in the journey to reclaim their stolen mandate. He also thanked the governor for his focus and determination in leading the people effectively, urging everyone to remain committed to reclaiming their stolen mandate. He also saying he expects APC to respond to their petition next week, and they also have 5 days to respond to theirs. So this will take them to about 19 November 2024. Then they will proceed to the pre-hearing phase before the main hearing, which may start by the end of November. So their lawyers are working and they are prepared to respond to their petition. That times are tough and they are facing challenging circumstances, so they must stand firm and strong as they navigate this journey to reclaim their stolen mandate. So they will make way for APC. Governor Obaseki say in no say APC don't start to dey borrow. They never enter office, so they don't dey borrow. They have borrowed about 2 million and 5 million for the inauguration. Just imagine. They saying get about 27 billion allocated for projects and obligation. But APC don't start to dey spend from the money. My people don't be small begel. But the thing be say that is the first amount they are going to withdraw from the treasury. That is the 2 billion and 5 billion they've withdrawn. Hey, my people don't be small begel. So the way that they act, Governor Obaseki say, as a governor, he's not aware of any of their move. That inauguration is coming up on the 12th of November. As a governor, he's not even aware and he's not invited. So the way APC come they act now, it come be like say they want bring in new government, they want bring in new Edo states. Hey, say no can understand again. So that making they telling people the PDP candidate where the House of Assembly said make they stand strong because APC go try bribe them with money. Many for join them. He say make they no agree, make they stand firm because this their stolen mandates. They have to reclaim it. He said APC no fit walk away with their stolen mandate, lie, because he knows say a lot of people came out on that day to vote for them. All of a sudden, their mandate were robbed by APC. And APC come dey act as if say there is no law, forgetting that they are being guided by constitutional and legal procedures. Hey, my people are go like me gonna choke mouth for this matter because this matter strong. Make I know what I think about this matter in our comment section. Let's make it lively in our comment section. Once again, thank you so much for staying tuned. But if this is your first time of joining this wonderful channel and you've not subscribed, please kindly subscribe, like, comment, share, but don't forget to turn the notification bell to get notified whenever we drop a video, because I'm sure you don't want to miss out the trend and latest news happening on social media. To all our amazing subscribers, thank you so much for staying tuned. On this note, we have come to the end of today's segment. Like on the next.